Playtime with Ira.
Hello, we are making a pillowcase today with this fabric we got. Join us. Let's see the results.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
We're gonna make a pillowcase for this pillow.
And then I could sleep
And
on
we're gonna use this
fabric. We
got
got
it from
fabric.
Michael's. Where did we get it from?
Michael's.
Yeah. So Ira loved it because we got unicorns. She likes unicorns.
Yeah.
So what we'll do first of all, we'll fold this up.
Are we folding it?
Yeah, we'll fold this up
Okay.
like this so we can cut the piece that we want. Okay, can you give me the scissors, Ira?
Okay. I'll get the scissors. Mommy, do you want
Let's
the
use that
red?
one. The purple.
Oh, the purplies. I love purple. I love pink and purple.
Safety tip, only do this with your parent or an adult. Let's be safe with crafting.
And I'm gonna cut it.
Mommy, cuts.
And the cutting is coming.
Mommy, that scissors cuts quick.
Oh yeah. So I'll cut it this way. Now the next thing I'm gonna do
Woohoo!
is we need
Mommy, are you sure we had to
a
cut
middle
it?
part. Just about here.
Mommy, are you sure we had to cut it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Let's measure this.
I'll
I'm
make
gonna
sure.
cut right here.
Wait a second. I can
Here.
measure it.
Oh.
I can
And
have
I'm just cutting the top one. Now hold here
right
once again. Hold right down here.
here.
Now hold this side.
This is fun, Mommy.
It is.
And kids, you could do this at home with your mom.
Yeah.
And I need to do
It's gonna fold over when it's a pillowcase. So this way, it'll fold over kind of like this.
Oh, Mommy, there's numbers.
Yeah, there is.
I
It'll
like
be
it.
kind of like this. So we don't really need this side because we're gonna hem it in.
Hamilton.
You know what hemming means? Fold over
Oh,
like the edge of the shirt, right? See this shirt? This side is the hem.
Oh, Mommy. And then you can fold over it.
Yeah, see how it's already folded over and then it's sewn over?
Mm-hmm.
We'll do that to the side.
Wait, so we're going to sew it?
We sure will.
Okay.
Remember, only do this with your parent or an adult. Let's be safe.
So basically what you need is 2 pieces of fabric. Longer, shorter. Longer
And so
and shorter. The next thing we're gonna do is hem these parts in.
we're hemming most of the stuff.
It's gonna go in like this. And then we'll hem this side too.
Hemming.
Hemming.
Yeah.
So
I get to
we'll
use
need
this.
a sewing machine.
A sewing machine. The good thing my mom has a sewing machine.
You could sew it by hand if you want, but we're gonna do it the fast way.
I
Let's whip up the sewing machine. First,
Oh, there it is. It cuts.
bring this
I got a
closer.
whole bunch of friends. Bobble, 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 bobble.
Nobody crawled.
Look some more.
I'm gonna fold this over this way
Mikey kicks.
and that way.
Waka waka.
You ready?
Yeah.
This side is hemmed in. what I'm gonna do is just like that, like that. You can actually just do it from the back.
Guys, ask your parents for help so you don't get cut. And I promise my mommy got cut once. She never liked it.
Okay, we got this side too done.
Yeah.
We'll put the long side down this way.
This way.
And we'll turn this one. And put this on top of this side. We align it this way.
Oh, that way.
And then this side comes over. Look. It comes over this way. We put this over this way. Let's cut off this excess. See? Okay, so this way. Now what we're gonna do is simple. We sew this side all around, and all around. Machine comb. Yeah. We'll go from here. Ready? And go. You ready?
Let's allow only the adult use the adult sewing machine. We can just watch and learn.
You turn. And turn. We're almost done. One last part. Turn it done.
Oh, nice.
With this whole business.
Can I help?
Come, you can step on my Also, just so you know, this is what she's stepping on. But actually, let's do it this way. How about you push it down, not too hard. Go. Press. Keep holding it in. Keep going. Stop. Okay, let me check something. Okay.
I want to.
Now you want to just step on it?
Yeah, because it's easier for me.
That's what it's made for, though.
Oh yeah.
It's made for your feet. Go, Missy.
Tell me when to stop.
I'll tell you. Stop. Okay.
Be careful. Tell me when to stop.
Go. And stop. Okay. And done.
We're done.
Do you know we actually done? Wanna see the final?
Result.
Final.
Result.
Oh, do this. Turn it over. So here, we turn this side out.
Inside.
And this side.
Inside.
And this side out.
Woohoo! It looks nice and neat.
Now, it is a pillowcase.
I'm going to get the pillow.
Get the pillow.
Can we put the pillow in?
That's how we got a pillowcase.
Can we put the pillow in?
Yes. So let me show you how we're gonna put the pillow in.
I'll get the pillow out.
We'll take the pillow out of the plastic. So what we do now is we hold this down
Hold it down.
and push this part in.
Mommy, it looks nice.
Yep. And push it in. Push it in.
I'm the dancing queen.
Push it in.
And then just cover
And-
it. We got the pillow. Okay. I want to sleep on it tonight.
And we did this way so it doesn't easily slip out.
Yeah.
And bam! And bam!
And then
Where's Barbie? Bring Barbie. We'll put Barbie on top of it.
I was bringing
And
my
the
Barbie.
practice is done.
I gotta bring my Barbie.
And that's Barbie. Shoes. Look at her necklace.
Mommy, her necklace is broken. I need you to fix it.
Okay, I'll fix it.
Wow, that was super cool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us next time for another fun video with Ira. We'll make a pillow and pillowcases for my dolls.